Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to mark messages as unread on Facebook Messenger. This is a super useful feature when you want to remind yourself to respond to an important message later or simply keep track of conversations you haven't fully addressed yet. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Facebook Messenger app and browse through your chat list to find the specific conversation or group chat that you want to mark as unread. This could be any conversation where you've already read the messages but want to flag it for your attention later. Take a moment to locate the exact chat you need, whether it's a one-on-one conversation with a friend, family member, or a group chat with multiple participants. Once you've found the conversation you're looking for, press and hold on it with your finger. You'll need to keep your finger pressed on the chat for just a second or two until the app registers your action. This is the key gesture that triggers the menu options for that particular conversation. After holding down on the conversation, a menu will appear at the bottom of your screen. This menu contains several options that let you manage that specific chat in different ways. Among these options, you'll see choices like deleting the conversation, muting notifications, or other settings depending on your version of Messenger. From this menu, look for and tap on the option that says Mark as Unread. This option is specifically designed to help you keep track of conversations that need your attention. By selecting this, you're essentially telling Messenger to treat this conversation as if you haven't read it yet, even though you already have. Once you tap Mark as Unread, you'll immediately notice that the conversation text becomes bold or highlighted in your chat list. This visual change is Messenger's way of indicating that there are unread messages in that conversation, making it stand out from your other chats. The bold text serves as a reminder that you need to come back to this conversation later and give it proper attention. And that's it. You've successfully marked a conversation as unread on Facebook Messenger, making it easier to keep track of important messages you need to respond to later. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.